Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So if I've ever wanted to learn tailoring or fashion designing but you don't know whether to learn under a tutor or online, this video is for you. I'm going to be breaking it down, the advantage and the disadvantage of learning online or learning under a tutor, so you know the one that will best work for you. Let's get started with learning under a tutor because I believe that this is how most people in Africa and beyond started their tailoring journey, including me. Learning under a tutor gives you real hands-on experience where you get to see real customer, real fabrics, and you also learn how to handle mistakes on the spot because your tutor can correct you immediately when you make an error, and that feedback is good. But let's be real, it also depends on who is teaching you. Some tutors don't have patience or structure, and sometimes you might spend weeks doing errands before touching a sewing machine. We all have had stories about that, right? Where you be cutting threads for months before you sew a single stitch. And most times you end up learning just those styles that your tutor already knows, which can limit your creativity. Now let's talk about learning online. We live in a digital world where YouTube, Instagram, and even online schools are changing how people learn. So learning online gives you freedom because you can learn at your own pace. You can pause the video, you can rewind the video anytime that you want to. You can also get access to global designers and also get to learn advanced techniques which you might not find locally. Imagine learning pattern drafting from a top designer right from your phone. But here is the truth, learning online requires serious discipline because no one is going to chase you to practice or correct your mistakes. You have to be your own teacher sometimes, and that can be tough when you don't fully understand what went wrong with your sewing. So here is my honest advice. Starting under a tutor builds your confidence, right? It teaches you how to handle customers and gives you confidence. But at the other hand, learning online gives you idea. It explores your idea to learn global trends and professional finishing techniques. So combining both makes you a smart modern tailor who can compete anywhere. Remember, it's not about where you learn, it's about how consistent you are. Keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop upgrading. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anybody that you feel like is interested in learning tailoring. Tell me in the comment section, are you learning under a tutor or online? Because I would love to hear your story. So see you in my next video where I'll be talking about how to choose the right sewing machine as a beginner. Bye.